Welcome! If you're looking to change the display language on the Instagram app using your PC, you're in the right place. Whether you want to browse Instagram in your native language or just want to explore the platform in a different language, the latest update makes it quick and easy. Here's a simple, step-by-step guide to help you switch your Instagram display language directly from your computer. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're on the main page, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Find the icon labeled More. It's usually at the bottom of the menu and might look like 3 horizontal lines or a small circle with dots inside. Click on the More icon. A small menu will pop up with extra options. From here, select Settings. This will open a new panel where you can adjust different aspects of your Instagram experience. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Language. It should be easy to spot. Click on Language and you'll see a list of all the languages that Instagram supports. Scroll through the list until you find the language you want to use, whether it's Spanish, French, Japanese, or any other language. Once you click on your preferred language, Instagram will automatically refresh and update the display language across the entire site. There's no need to restart your browser or log in again. The change takes effect right away. And that's it. You've now successfully changed the display language on Instagram using your PC. If you ever want to switch back or try another language, just repeat these steps. Enjoy exploring Instagram in the language that feels most comfortable for you.